Well, let's do a little bit more work to the Briggs & Stratton N assembly work. Oh my God, I shouldn't have set that down, and the magnet picked everything up. So I cleaned the paint off the perimeter of the flywheel. There are the weights that go around the coil. I have a new key for the keyway, and it fits just as loosely as the one that I made for this several weeks ago, but no matter. I cleaned off the gland nut and the washer, so we're going to put some lubrication everywhere on this tapered shaft and on the threads, so things slip with a little bit more ease. I'm just going to put some in the threads of the nut and on the washer too. So now that my hand's all oily, I don't want to go touching the flywheel with oily fingers. Alright, let's did I get that? Nope. This is always the tricky part. I got it that time. A long time ago, a movie was made called Catch-22. And at that time in the 70s, it was the biggest gathering. I missed it. The biggest gathering of World War II B-25 Mitchell bombers since the war. And it was about this bombardier named Usarian who found it pointless to continue bombing in Italy. And he wanted to get out on a Section 8. And the doctor said, well, I can't let you go on a Section 8 because you keep going up. And he says, yeah, that's crazy, don't you think? And the doctor says, yeah, it's insane that you keep flying your missions. And Usarian says, but the commanding general keeps turning the amount of missions required to rotate home up. Let me get this torque down here. That was good. I like that. Okay, and so eventually goes to see the general and the colonel, and they said to Usarian, okay, well, we'll let you out on a Section 8, but you have to do something for us. When you get home, we want you to tell everyone that you like us. You don't have to really like us. We just want you to tell everyone that you like us. And everyone on YouTube is always saying share, like, and subscribe. If you go to any of my videos that I have up, you will never hear me once say share, like, and subscribe. You want to watch my videos? Watch my videos. You don't want to watch them? You don't have to watch them. I'm not mad. I will never ask anyone to like, share, and subscribe. Because I think it's kind of arrogant. Not kind of, I think it is arrogant. But that's just me. And that's how I roll. And, yeah, so I'll be right back. Alright, let's install the fan shroud. I need to get another 1/4 nut, bolt, and lock washer for that. Alright, I got another one. And it doesn't want to line up. So much paint in there. Okay. I'm gonna have to find a drill bit and a tap. Alright, let's run the tap through this little ear. That's all I needed, was to clean the threads. That's it, okay. Good. Okay. Excellent. Good. Okay. Pain. Okay. All right, that got it started. And now this one here. Ah, boy, okay. That got it. Okay, good. All right, let's see if that'll go without cross-threading. Yep, good. Last bolt. Fan shrouds on. Let's install the fuel tank. Let's go look at the other air compressor. Fuel tank goes opposite of the intake manifold. Okay. There's the intake manifold. I have it installed correctly. There's one screw I have to find. It's an 832. There it is. Oh, that thing looks terrible. Alright, I gotta clean that up.